What are some weird things people don't know about making money online?
Shop that is making $40,000 a month. And this is a digital product, which means that most of that number is purely profits.
You can actually make $40,000 a month from an online store selling digital products. Most importantly, traffic and customers are completely free.
So take a look at this store here. They are selling what looks to be very cute crochet toys, but if you notice, they're not actually selling the toys, but instead what's being sold is the instructions on how to create these characters. And if you look at the description here, they made it clear that
this is actually a PDF file with crochet instructions in English, not a physical product. In case you don't know about crochet, go to YouTube and search with crochet and you will find most of the crochet videos are getting millions of views. Even 1% of these viewers turn into customers. It's a big money. Let's take a little deeper look of the profit they're making.
So let's take a look at this listing. How much are they making? Let's click on the Everbee tool here and you'll see that they made about $20,000 in revenue just on this listing alone.
From only one listing, $20,000. But that's not completely profitable.
Their products are 60% off. Now you have to remember that Everbee calculates the revenue based on the regular price. So to make this quick, I'll just assume that all their products are always 60% off. So just take that 60% off that $100,000 and you're left with $40,000 in revenue. And
that's how we get $40,000 a month revenue. And because it's a digital product, it's pure profit. Now let's use AI to make those designs. For that, go to Midjourney community and you'll see tons of people making different designs, and simply choose something that's simple and easy. Then go to Midjourney application, use a prompt and create your own designs. Then just go to Etsy and sell and make money. Sounds easy, but it's not. Because although it sounds like traffic is free, but traffic is not, because Etsy sellers depend on SEO traffic, which is search engine optimization. And here is what one of the top SEO company says about SEO.
Even as a manager at the world's most popular SEO company, not even I know if I've done my SEO correctly, because that's just not how SEO works.
That's weird. Then how does SEO work? It means there is no guarantee that SEO will work for you. That's why we don't do Etsy, we don't do these products, and we don't do SEO. What we do is use simple AI to learn new skills and gain knowledge. For example, before shooting our video, we actually analyzed this video using AI and learned the whole business model in just a couple of minutes. The whole step-by-step formula, interesting facts, our own video script written by AI, and strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis. We also got a unique article written by AI. We didn't stop there. We created images for our article, so we can post this article with images and get traffic. Now we use our knowledge and make simple and short videos just like this one. We upload those videos in social media channels. Social media drives the free traffic we get from social media, go through an automated sales funnel. This automated sales funnel does the sales on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.